As I was doing my usual Pinterest doom scrolling, I saw the seashell paint palette and immediately wanted to make one myself. And so I went to the store to buy some seashells. And as it usually goes, I bought way too much seashells, so in order to not let them go to waste, I found more seashell DIYs to make. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 DIYs using seashells for all of you out there who also ended up with way too many seashells on your hands. Since the seashell overflow all started with the seashell palette, the first DIY, of course, has to be that. Get some air dry clay and roll it into a ball. Then spread the clay into a disc shape and add a hole for the thumb. Place it onto a sheet of plastic so it doesn't stick to the table, and start adding on seashells. Let this dry overnight and you'll have the coolest palette out there. During my Pinterest doom scrolling session, I also came across a really pretty seashell jewelry holder. It looked like it was straight out of The Little Mermaid, so of course I had to make it. Get the larger shells and glue them onto the outside of a cup, and use the smaller shells to decorate the rest of the cup. You can get really creative with this, and there's really no right or wrong way to design it. Once you're done, you can start placing your jewelry or other things onto it to keep your desk organized. Since the seashells I bought already had holes in them, I'm going to make a keychain, but you can also make it into a necklace instead. Use hot glue to add designs and patterns across the shell, and once it's dried, use a chrome pen to color the hot glue. Finally, peel the shell off the non-stick paper and hang it onto a keychain or necklace. If you want to add a touch of creativity to your room, then this next DIY is perfect for you. All you need to do is glue a bunch of seashells together to form a base. Make sure that the base is large enough so that it's very stable. Glue a large shell on the top where you'll be adding on the candle. To add on the candle, you can either directly place a small candle into the large shell or melt some wax into it. I'm first cutting up chunks of candle wax, then melting it into a tin cup. Once it's fully melted, pour it over the large shell and wait for it to solidify. Finally, you can light the candle directly in the shell. This DIY is super unique, and you can also give it to a friend as a gift. As a child, I've always wanted a seashell mirror, but never knew how to make one. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a scuffed version that's kind of usable. Get any type of mirror and make it small enough so that it can fit into the shell. Then hot glue this on. Do this to both shells and use a piece of wire to tie them together. Finally, you'll have a seashell mirror that's kind of usable, depending on what type of mirror you used.